Hi everyone! We just upgrade the lights on this Ford Bronco using AC Lights Flex Era, known as a bucket light of this because it's very small. With everything, with the harness and bracket. These two are the fog and spot for off-roading. Very durable bracket. We're still just finished wiring it up, and we're going to align the light. As you can see, all the cover are not yet finished, and it's nice about Ford Bronco is they make us easier. Everything is have auxiliary wire already for us to install. Okay, we'll turn the lights on. Two lights and the upper, we are using this one as the auxiliary 2. We'll combine with aux 1 and aux 2 right now. Aux with aux 1. Turn off aux 2. This is only the aux 1. There's a nice thing about Ford. Also in Ford Ranger Raptor, these are the switches. As of now, we are using the aux 1, aux 2, the aux 3, aux 4, aux 5, aux 6. You can use it for spotlight, LED bar on the roof. If you have a mini fridge at the back, you can hook it up at this auxiliary. Feel free to message me if you like our products here. Available also here, KC Lights and all the premium fog lamp you want. See you here at PRS. Bye!